friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel from AGS Tech. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon. Then only you get notification from new videos. Today we are going to see how to import Excel to Tally purchase voucher without inventory. How to do in Excel to Tally, we will show that. First we will go to Tally. We enable the customization in Gateway of Tally F11 add-on feature. Import purchase without inventory. You can select yes, then accept yes, then go to Gateway of Tally. It will show one menu, purchase import. You select purchase import, it will ask import file name and voucher type. You can give full Excel path and select whichever voucher type you want. You can select the voucher type. Then we will see Excel sheet. In Excel sheet, first 5 row is company information. Then 6th row we can show the columns. First column voucher number, then voucher date, invoice number, it is supplier reference number and supplier reference date, and party name, then GSTN for party, then amount, then raw material ledger, then IT recovery ledger, then input C GST ledger, then input S GST ledger, then input I GST ledger, and finally freight charges ledger. This all are ledgers. It will be fixed in name also fixed in Tally itself. Then we will show the transaction how to import Excel to Tally in Tally. First we will see the ledger is available in Tally or not. First raw material we will see, go to ledger, account, ledger, alter raw material. Yeah, raw material available. Then IT recovery payable, IT recovery payable is available. Then I GST, input GST, input I GST and input S GST. Finally freight charges. Thus all ledgers are available in our Tally. Okay, then we will see in Tally how to import Excel to Tally. Then go to Tally, select purchase import menu, copy your Excel sheet full path name, book, copy book.xls or book.xls, anything you copy and paste here. Then you select which voucher type you want to import. I have two voucher type, demo purchase and purchase. I will show demo purchase. Then whichever voucher type you want to import, you can select the voucher type. You select particular voucher type, purchase import. Then the voucher will be imported. We will show that 4 transaction is imported. 3 file raw material 3841, 3 file raw material 3148, 3 file raw material 4000, 3 file raw material, and IT recovery payable, input CSG and I input SGST. Show in Excel sheet. Import 3 file and raw material. Show all the details. will available in Tally also. If you want more add, I can add that also. I can enter 5 to 10 2028 1 8 2020 proceed 7. I will import this time. How much entry is available? 1 2 3 4. We can 5 rows is available. Okay, will show if already entered, that data it will be not entered repeatedly. Now it will show voucher number 1 2 3 4 already exists. The last final one only it will be imported. Final one only it will be imported. Okay, thank you guys. If you want customization, contact us. Our mobile number 938412830. Email agstechedge@gmail.com. If you like the video, share with your friends. Thank you for watching our video.